This morning I drove over half an hour to this Tutang Village. I'm going to see Tutang Jingyin Temple, 大佛阁 giant Buddha tower, which housed that giant Buddha of Amitabha. And it was sculpted in Jin dynasty, almost 900 years old, and the only Loess Amitabha Buddha you could find in China today. This statue of Amitabha has a big forehead, downcast eyes, and big earlobes, bare chest, and sitting in a meditation posture. Beautiful. These two bodhisattvas are placed face to face in a gentle and beautiful form. Both bodhisattvas over 3.7 meter tall, having a white and plumped face and wearing like all the jewelries, gems, and fancy clothes. You know, Buddhism was very like a profound and complicated religion for local people to follow. So after the creation of the Amitabha Buddha, Chinese believe people only need to recite his name. Then after death, they would go to the West Pure Land, where the Amitabha was the leading Buddha there. In Ming Dynasty, about 400 years ago, a building, like a two-storied building, was built to house this statue, to shelter it from the rain. So we could still see the statue today. In this building, also you find like 6 stone steles with inscriptions saying like in different Ming and Qing dynasties, this building was renovated. And the villagers sponsored the whole project by donating money. Everything was recorded on this stone tablet. There are 6 of them. It's a pretty Ming Dynasty wooden structure. And you may see the lowest mountains or hills right after behind the building. This temple is such a treasure. I was born and raised in Taiyuan. This is my first time to come here. It's like 20 kilometers away from the city. And it also known for this kind of a cypress tree, like eccentric cypress trees growing on the cliffside. In this small side building, you can see the Dizangwang, Shitigaba, and the 10 Yama kings, and the judges. Da Xiong Baodian, the grand hall, it's not open to public today, but it housed 7 Ming Dynasty colored sculpture inside. I see that painting, a picture there. It's beautiful. Maybe I will come next time to see that. And this week, the municipal government of Taiyuan City made a decision to open out some of these temples in the city for free to all visitors from all over the world. So I'm taking the advantage of that. And my first time to be here, Jingyin Temple. Jin Dynasty building, over 800 years old. You see there like a head of some beast on the top of this column. They are probably there to ward off all the evil spirit, to protect the Buddha sitting in the hall. I'm sure those paintings are Buddha's story, like before he achieved enlightenment. He was born as a prince of Indian tribe. The story of Buddha, but I don't know it's gonna be preserved or not in the future. It seems not in good condition. This is the Guanyin Dian, the hall dedicated to Guanyin. And these statues are not original. The original ones are made of wood, and now you see the museum in Taiyuan Museum. I have taken some picture there. Maybe I will attach the picture in the end of the video. A staff just told me this temple is going through a big renovation, so they're gonna make a parking lot, making a front gate, and so in the future they're gonna open to public, so we could see all these precious cultural relics from China's Ming and Qing and the Ming dynasty. This is a very quiet temple, almost no tourists today. Even it's free to public. I climb up a few steps. Now I am overlooking the entire temple compound. The main hall, the big Buddha chamber, and the cypress tree. This is the undergoing renovation, so they're building the steps up and they're building the parking lot and the new roads to the temple. Thank you for watching. I will keep bringing you the videos about the places you probably will never go in this life. Please subscribe and like my video. I will do my best. Thank you.